If you're a stay-at-home busy mommy, then there is a lot to love at-home manicure. Hi, I'm Vinnie and today I'm going to show you how to do salon style manicure at home by saving a few bucks and time. So let's get started. The first step is to remove your previous nail paint, and because I don't have that on, so I am skipping that step. According to me, waxing your hands is the most important step which everybody almost skip. Waxing removes the tanning and dead skin, making your hands look a lot more cleaner. I am applying a thin layer of wax on the direction of my hair growth and using a strip, pressing that and pulling in opposite direction. Next, I am cutting my nails. I love to do it before manicure because when you dip your hands in water, your nails become softer and can break while clipping. Now take a bowl of warm water and add lemon juice, a good gentle cleanser. You can use any shampoo of your wish. Here I have used baby wash, and of course add a few drops of lavender essential oil because fragrance of candles and lavender oil just helps you to relax. And then finally a fistful of Epsom salt and mix. If you don't have Epsom salt, you can use sea salt as well. Epsom salt is used because it opens up the pore, cleans them out, softens the cuticles and skin, and also strengthens nails. Epsom salt have some excellent antifungal properties which detoxifies and reduces any kind of swelling too. Now I am going to soak my hands in this mixture for good 5 minutes and I am going to relax for this session. Next, I am going to cut a lemon and use the lemon half on my nails and later on my hands. Nails often stains and turn yellow because of nail polishes and turmeric used in Indian food. So lemon helps in lightening and brightening by giving your nails a quick refresher look. I am using lemon on my hands because lemon juice contains citric acid which breaks down the dead skin cell on the skin caused by sun damage, which we call tanning. It also helps in skin whitening. You can totally avoid lemon if you have any kind of cuts on your hand. Next, I am making a homemade gentle scrub to exfoliate my skin, for which I have blended 2 tablespoons of oats and a few almonds into powder, and I am adding a half tablespoon of honey, few drops of coconut oil, 1.5 tablespoon of green tea and mixing it nicely. Now each thing we use to make scrub has its own goodness. Oats has always been a boon for me as it suits all skin type, including my sensitive and acne prone skin. It works well to gently cleanse, heal and moisturize, and I have added almonds to oats because almonds is always called the superfood for skin. Coming to honey and coconut oil, it moisturizes to an extent, and who is not aware of the benefits of green tea? Its antioxidant slows down the aging process while reactivating the dying skin cells. Green tea also calms any kind of redness and removes bad smell from your hands. As you guys can see, I am working in small circular motion all over my hands and nails. Also, you can use a brush to exfoliate nicely, but be gentle with it. After you have finished soaking and exfoliating, dry off your hands with a clean towel. You can clearly see my nail cuticles have become softer now. Use the cuticle pusher made of wood to avoid any kind of damage to your cuticles. Nowadays, this kind of orange sticks are in trend. Its slanted and round edge are a great option for gently pushing back the delicate skin around your nails. Now trim the pieces of cuticles which have torn or split, because if you don't trim them, they can even tear more and lead to pain and infection. So angle the trimmer and the nipper we are using to get that smooth cut. Be very careful with it because we only have to trim the extra pieces of cuticles. Next, file your nails. They should be in a proper shape. Also, those who have brittle and weak nails can totally avoid metal filers and use a multi-sided buffer which have different textures and each side have different purpose. One side has filer. You can file your nails and give shape according to your choice. It can be round, square or triangle. The other side has buffer on it. We need to buff our nails to even out the nail surface and to get that mirror-like shine. Apply a very little pressure while buffing so that you don't scrape too much. Wipe off the white chalky powder that will actually show you that it's getting all the dead skin of your nail. And for the ladies who don't like to apply nail polish, the third and fourth side are for them. They can smoothen their nails after buffing by using shine and polished sides for those beautiful natural nails. Last but not the least, I am making a nail strengthening serum by mixing 1 tablespoon of castor oil, vitamin E capsule and aloe vera gel. This serum heals dry nails by moisturizing them and help them to regrow. So I have applied 1 drop of this serum on each nail and massaging in small circular motions and gently pressing my fingers to improve the blood circulation. I am also going to apply the same serum to my hands to moisturize them. Coming to the end, I am applying base coat. It is important because one, it helps the polish to stick to your nails more, and second, it creates a barrier that prevents staining and peeling of nails. Moving to the end of our manicure, we need to apply a thin layer of petroleum gel around each nail before painting our nails for a neat application. Now I am taking this Lakme gel nail paint and I am gonna apply the first thin coat of it in 3 strokes. Use the brush to dab first on the middle of nail and then swipe from base to tip of the nail. Then do the same on the left and then the right side of the nail. Once the first coat dries, you can apply the second coat, and at the end take a thin brush, dip in remover and clean the nail paint from the edges or wherever it's required for a neater look. And voila, we are done. All the steps are mentioned in the description box below. I hope you liked my stay at home manicure. If you did, then please like and subscribe for more such videos. Stay happy and stay positive. Bye bye. See you in the next one.